Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Um, I know I haven't been posting, and if you may remember, we had problems with the cameras, and I got a new screen recorder, but what happened was, um, I couldn't upload them to YouTube. Like, I kept on recording, and I can show you right now with QuickTime. All these movies. Like, I did it like 5 times and I just can't upload them to YouTube for some reason, and I tried importing them and they didn't work. So I'm trying to fix it. Even though I've been trying to fix it for about 3 weeks now. But yeah. But it's been like a long time since I posted a video. So as you can see, it's been quite a difference. So, if I remember this right, the last time I posted it, I was in Angel. No, I was Hacker. And I said that I was going to post again when I got Angel. And didn't quite get Angel. But now I got Angel, Minotaur, Cerberus, and Yeti. And as you can see here, I'm 12C away from getting Samurai. So I'm not going to get in this video, but I'll get it close enough. But as you can see, I have a lot of crowns, and my stats have changed a lot since the last time I posted. Now I should probably go to my private server, but I'll just stay in the server. So my pets aren't the best, but I have 2 shiny cobalt dragons, level 32. These are the moon pet, and I have a golden double moon from this update. It says 8,351 times on strength and coins, and almost 3,000 multiplier on crowns. And the golden sapphire dragon's a double pet from last update, and it does quite less, and it's level 53. It does 7,803 strength and coins and 2,500 crowns. And I'm close to crafting another shiny, but it won't be able to replace anything. This is how much I get per thing, about 300 to 500 trillion per swing. You might not believe this, but since the last video, they haven't added a single aura. Not surprising. But they did fix the leaderboards this update. I don't know how they get that much coins, but I can't even get 600C. And this guy's over here is 6.2 million C, which is basically like 600 of the next current C. But they're even so lazy that they can't even add a new currency to the game. But they also fixed this leaderboard. I don't know how you guys can. Well, I actually do know, because they pretty much all have a full team of shiny double moons. But like, I cannot get a shiny double moon. But like my pets are not really that good at all. But this is this egg for this update. This is my friend, and I swear, I wish I was on Windows because he's on Windows and he just auto clicks them. But he has the most OP pets. He has a shiny sapphire dragon, which is this, but I have the golden version. And then he has 3 golden Dobermans, and I only have 1. But he doesn't do as much strength as me because he only has the +4 pet equip. But if he had all the game passes like me, he'd be way better than me. And probably almost to Baron. He'd probably be halfway to Baron. But I want to see what the bottom of the coin leaderboard is. 2,371. Okay, I'm nowhere close. I wish the crown leaderboard was updated so I can see. I know that the top core blocks is at like 4S or something. But I want to see what the bottom of the leaderboard is because I don't know if I'm probably not even close, but like it could possibly be close. But I'll do an update video tonight. Hopefully. Probably tomorrow though. I should have Samurai by the video. Honestly, why not? I already bought them. Oh, shoot. Okay. But this update is the mallets. They don't look like mallets though. Just like a lot of people have said, but you know, I'm a basic person and I kind of like these swords. I don't know if that's just me, but actually this shows how much multiplier I have. I'm pretty sure, because this only does 1 per swing. And so my total multiplier is 1.3s. I don't know if that's right, but should be. It's honestly probably not, though. But like, this sword only does 1. But honestly, I kind of like this sword, not gonna lie. I just wish the swords were like that. Yeah. I mean, that's just gonna be the end of this video because I don't know what else to do. Because the developers are getting lazy and not posting, not updating the game that well, so there's not much to even do. So I'll just see you later today, and my game just froze. That's perfect timing. Okay. So I'll just see you guys later tonight. And yeah, goodbye.